Hello and welcome to the Coffee Cup Visual Site Designer tutorial number 5. It's been some time since I have been on, and if you remember correctly, on my last one I had ended with a picture of a car over here on a template, and we were going to talk about links. Well, it has been some time and they have since done away with the template, so I had to choose a different one. But we're still going to show you how to do some links. But before I do that, just a couple of quick words. These are my opinions about links. Now, I think we're conditioned to recognize the blue and the red as links. And when you're highlighting a word in a sentence, we usually underline it with black, depending on your type. Color, of course, your text color, of course, but usually it's black text with a black underline to add weight to that word, to emphasize that word. Whereas if you're doing a text link, if you decide to go with a different color, purple or red or green or whatever color, purple, and if you decide to do that, you need to really be sure that your visitor knows that this is indeed a link and that you're not just highlighting this word to give it extra emphasis. So unless you go something like, to visit such and such, click here. And then you can change that to purple or pink or whatever color you want. But that's my opinion. I think you're safer and it causes less confusion for your visitor to keep them in the blue and the red, because your visitors are very important. So that's my opinion. Anyway, so enough of that. Now we're going to come over here and I'm going to show you some other things that this editor does. If you come up to View, and you left click that, you'll get a drop down that says Insert Horizontal Guide. Horizontal, there we go. I can't talk today. Okay, so this is a wonderful little tool. And here it is. It's a light blue line, and you can set that where you want it so that you can line things up and get them straight. I often have difficulty, especially if I want something on the same line, and it's hard to eyeball it. And you can also do the same thing for the vertical. There's a vertical guide right there. Sometimes this is very handy if you need to line something up on the left-hand side or the right, somewhere so that you can actually get it where you want it, position your text where you want it. So we're going to come up because I want this particular text to match the other text that I have done. And I'm going to come up here and I'm going to highlight this and I'm going to right click and it will say cut, and that's what I did. Okay, so then I come over here to my T for my text box, and we can always reposition it later. I'm going to put in contact us or something like that. Now, as you can see, it looks like it is in the wrong font. It's not bold. So I'm going to come over here to Tools, Object Properties, and it's Arial Black, 15 point, but it doesn't look like it's really bold to me. But in order to do that, I need to get there we go. Okay. So we're going to do that, and for some reason it does not match this, and I do not understand why. So I'm going to find out why. I'm going to go over here to the Object Properties, Arial Black. Wonder, is that Arial Black? Yes, it is. Well, I'm going to leave that because I'll fuss around with that later. I don't want to take up your time. And so anyway, so there we go, and there's all of your links or your setup for your navigation links. And I will continue this on the next one. Thank you for watching.